always privileged, and it always ends up being the highlight of my year. This year, I flew to DC a couple of weeks ago and went downtown, and we got on top of a building with a skeleton crew, just a few people, and the Capitol Dome was in the background, and I was able to do my performances there, and so it was an inspirational setting. However surreal it was, because I looked down and there was literally nobody there. So strangest trip I ever took to DC. But I think this show's going to be great, and it's going to hopefully focus people and remind people that this is a very, very important holiday, and that we should take a moment to reflect and remember and pay tribute to those men and women who have sacrificed so much for us. And just glad to be a part of it again.
Yeah, you described what that was like for you in DC, where nobody was there, and we're along with you guys. We're showing some of the images and past concerts and Arlington, and I've been there, and it is a surreal moment when you're walking through Arlington National Cemetery. Give me your thoughts if you can. Trace, we'll start with you. What does this mean to you this year? How things are going a little bit differently. Of course, we're honoring our frontline workers. It's a different feeling about the weekend, about the holiday, but still same sentiment in some ways, right?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, and we are and appropriately paying tribute to the men and women who are sacrificing, those frontline workers and essential workers. But I think also for me, this weekend serves as a way to kind of contextualize and remember that, this country has been through some really, really rough patches. Our ancestors, people that have come before us, they have gone through way rougher times than we're going through right now. And for me, it reminds me of that fact.
Yeah, absolutely. I totally agree with you on the things that our ancestors went through. Joe, let me ask you the same question, if you don't mind. Your thoughts as we kind of embark on this weekend, a little bit different of a show, but same feeling, and your thoughts on having to do this during this pandemic.
Yeah, I think Trace put it perfectly, because it's so true that we're going through this time of crisis, and this is a unique situation, but we're able to, we're able to make it happen, and it's going to happen, and we're going to get through these times that we're going through now. But you look at some of the sacrifices, and that's why we have Memorial Day, and that's why it's such an important holiday. People literally gave their lives over 200-year history of this country so that we can live the life that we live, so we can actually be around to even get through this current crisis we're going through. And so we should never forget that. And so, if we got through, world wars and everything else that goes with it, we'll get through this. And so this is a reminder of that. And this is a moment when people watch the concert, we'll give them 90 minutes to be able to reflect on that and understand that we need to memorialize those who've preceded us and made, our lifestyles possible, even under trying circumstances.
Yeah, and an opportunity to thank those troops as well. Let me be the first here on AZAM to thank you both for the years that you've given to this. It is a beautiful concert and an amazing tribute the weekend of Memorial Day. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Be well, be safe. Thank you so much. So that